Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. D.Beasley here. I'm sorry, I'm in a different like filming situation for a temporary moment, but I wanted to come here and do like this first impressions with you all. I'm sure a lot of you know Patrickstarr came out with a collab with MAC a few months ago. I want to say around Christmas time, and he actually had 2 parts to the collab. So he just came out with round 2. I placed the order like a day or 2 ago, and I just got my order in today, and I was like, you gotta film. We gotta do a look with this. So I picked up the Fleek Patrickstarr collab round 2 with MAC. Y'all look at this packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. They're calling this Floral Greatness. I'm feeling it. It came in a kit this time. The first time around he had like his powder. He had like 3 lipsticks, 3 lip glosses, a couple of pencils. For round 2 he came out with 2 kits. This one is the Fleek, and then he has Chic. Fleek is a little bit more edgier, which I think I am. And Fleek is real, you know, soft and, you know, ladylike, which I'm a lady at all times. But this one had me written all over it. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Again, this is the packaging. It has his name here. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, it has his name here and it has MAC, but gorgeous. And it has Fleek down here. On the back, it just gives you all of the details of what's in there. There is a retro matte lipstick, there's a lip gloss, there's a 4-quad eyeshadow palette, as well as a blush duo. So baby, let's open this up. I haven't even opened this up, y'all. I got it today. UPS dropped it off. I did my face and was like, come on, let's do it. Oh my god, they come wrapped in all this purple tissue paper. That is so cute, y'all. I'm a sucker for packaging. I'm sorry. It comes with a face chart, y'all. And it says, spring into fierceness and blossom into your own beauty. Live your floral fantasy. XOXO Patrickstarr. Oh my god. I never had one of MAC's face charts. That's gorgeous. Okay, girl. So, like I said, everything comes wrapped up very nicely. And it also has some of this purple tissue paper down on the bottom. So, I'm assuming so it doesn't, you know, get broken or anything like that. So... oh my god, this is the eyeshadow palette. Look at this packaging, y'all. I don't even buy these from MAC like that, but I could not pass on this collection. Ooh, look at this blue right here. Lord. This has the packaging has Patrick's. It looks just like the box. It has his signature as well as the MAC logo there. And let's swatch some of these shades. Okay, so this pink one is called Hickey. Y'all, Tunty, come through. This blue one is called, wow, look at that. In the Shadows. Oh my god. This one is called In Living Pink. This one here is called In Living Pink. Gorgeous. This mauve-y, purpley looking one is called All Rosy, and it's a matte shade. I don't think I swatched that one good, but there they go, y'all. I couldn't get to that one like I wanted to, but y'all, yeah, we finna try this out. This next one is the Take Me Home Powder Blush Duo. And the packaging looks like this. Pink matte packaging with the Patrickstarr MAC logo, floral logo on the front. This is the blush. It doesn't tell me what blush, but this is just a blush duo. If I find out, I'll place it down here in the bottom of the screen. But yeah, this is gorgeous. I thought this would go good with my skin tones. I think the other one was a little bit too light. The eyeshadow quad as well as this blush as well as the lipstick is the reason why I picked up this particular set, because I think the Make Me Chic is a little bit too light or fair for me, so I didn't get that one. Lastly, we have the lipstick and the lip gloss. They come in their beautiful packaging again. It's the pink matte packaging, and I have this hot pink gloss full of glitter, honey, full of it. And it has let me show you the packaging. It has Patrick's logo on the top, and also it just has the floral design on the bottom portion of the lip gloss. And then on the lipstick, it has the floral portion at the bottom, design at the bottom, as well as Patrick's signature here. I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but it's right there. So this shade, the lipstick shade, is called Hey Boy Hey. Okay. Yes. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. And the lip gloss is called Queen P. It is so full of glitter, which I'm here for. Definitely here for the overload of the glitter. Definitely. So let's just jump into this, okay? Okay, so beauties, here's the finished look. I absolutely love the eyeshadow palette. The lipstick, to me, it does feel like it's something that I have already, like from MAC actually, and it probably from somewhere else. But even though I do love it still, it is a retro matte. So I love their retro matte formula. It's amazing. But like I said, I do feel like it's something that I've had before, or that I have already in my collection. I absolutely love the gloss, because it is just a very chunky glitter gloss, and it's hot pink. So absolutely love that gloss. And what else is my favorite? Like I said, I'm loving the eyeshadow palette. I love the fact that I can take some really hot spring colors with me on a trip and have them all in this quad instead of taking like a really big, you know, palette. And I can definitely come up with, you know, single looks, create looks like I did with this, with all 4 shadows. I like it. I do like the fact that I can actually wear the blush. I just mix both colors together, and then I put Whisper Guilt highlight on with it. But I love this collection. I did pick up Miso Fleek only because of the fact that Miso Chic, I think, is more of like a really calm, you know, which that's not me. Like, I'm not, we're not even gonna kid ourselves. It didn't look like I could wear all the pieces in that collection. Like, the blush looked like it would be too light for me. So that's exactly, like, the blush sold me on this particular kit, as well as the vibrant colors of the eyeshadow quad. Eyeshadow quad in the Miso Chic has this really beautiful purple shade. I wish they sold these individually, because I would definitely just pick up the eyeshadow quad. Those are my thoughts on the Patrickstarr and MAC Round 2 collection, the Miso Fleek one. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you picked up any one of these boxes, let me know down in the comment section what you think about it. Like, if you picked up the Miso Chic, like, how you feeling it? Are you feeling it or no? If you all have any questions about anything that I put on my face or anything in this particular collection, just leave them down in the comment section and I'll get back with you. If you're not subscribed, beauties, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you all know exactly when I upload new videos. I got a lot going on in my life right now, so I may not be uploading as much as I want to, but I'll definitely get back on that schedule as soon as I get situated. But until next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, beauties.